We've heard of this company since the late 70s, and there's a bit of a trust factor built up over the years, although they've got into end-to-end construction in the last maybe 10 years, but we've always known them as one of the most powerful land bankers, and now with the vertical integration they've got into construction. So there's a trust factor that we've already built in with Century.
The location really enticed me, like close to school, close to my in-laws' place, and right in the heart of the city. And of course, with so many amenities, my son uses the gym, the pool, and the squash court. I mean, I'm really happy with the amenities here.
For me, it was in the heart of the city. To get an acre and a half of breathing lung space was one of the most important factors. It has a sort of a family feeling with Century. It's a very next door neighbor sort of a builder. You could walk into their office. They're very accessible. So along with the brand name and the location and the way it was a low rise, the builder hadn't decided to cramp up too many apartments. He wanted a low rise, and I thought that's where I cemented the thought of moving here.
The party hall that we have here. So we've already held like couple of parties. My kids are teenagers, so inviting their friends over, our friends over. So it's beautiful, the openness.
And also they have these spaces which I think at some point can work as good conference rooms. So if I have a sudden business visitor, I can call them down. And also I think looking at the corridor space and just the openness and the brightness of the project. Our target was Lavelle Road, which is one of the premier roads in the heart of the city. But also we were getting standalone buildings with smaller buildings, standalone, only 3 apartments. But with all the amenities and 1.5, 2 acres, I mean, next to UB City, I can't see another project like that. I can't see so much land freeing up. So for us, our whole life has been in the center. Our club is in the center, school is in the center, office is right across. So I think it scores very high on the old saying of location, location, location. Yes. I love the fact that if you give balconies, either you give big ones, which you guys did, so that we can actually use the balcony. There's some sense to the balconies. So I love that fact that we have good air space, we have balcony spaces,
We enjoy
and we
our
enjoy our
morning
outdoor
and-
tea coffees over
Yeah.
there. And also the internal space had a natural vastu to it. The good thing with Century is that we had 2 options. Either we could take a fully done up apartment, or we could even go in for a bare shell where we could pretty much have our own choice of flooring, tiles, color, toilets, basically customize the whole apartment yourself. So I thought that flexibility was great, I'd break that into 2 parts when we actually bought the apartment. So and then the help that we got post that, because we almost customized the whole apartment. We find them to be very gentlemanly, very accessible. Century comes across as a very Bangalore homegrown brand, a very go-to next door, and the comfort level is there. It's a sentiment and comfort. So that's been a great good experience with them, over time.